What's going on? Bringing in my first reaction video. When we react to some good old street beefs. So when we get in the video, make sure you get some water, stay some hydrated. Let's get into it. Let's react. This one is the Dog versus KZO.
The Dog, 5'10", 160 pounds.
I think it's a boxing match, by the way. It could be kickboxing.
150. Let's get it.
But I'm thinking it's boxing.
Protect yourselves at all times, man. Protect yourselves at all times. Round one, let's work. Let's go, Caleb.
Yeah. Shit. Oh shit. Oh, running. That's not even. And props to this guy for getting in there. I think Blue Gloves is holding back a little bit because he knows. Okay. So some crazy body shots. Crazy body shots. Oof. No. The other guy's pretty good at collecting himself after he throws. He can bring it right back. Like that. It's good. It's a good start. Ooh, okay, that one right over. Ooh, those are landing flush. Although, it is true. So I heard someone in the back saying, like, quick thinking about it, just throw your punches. It's true, you know. When you're thinking about your punches, it's where you get caught slipping. So just do. But still, like, major respect to both these guys for stepping in there. It's obvious now they're still new to the sport. So, you gotta give them props, right?
Let him push you. You push him.
Yeah.
30 seconds, man. Oh, that hurt. Hands are free. Round two.
There you go. That was a pretty decent first round. I mean, they went in their swing. That's all what you expect from these guys. Now, I would have to say, for street beefs, I feel like there's a lot of people in the ring, a lot more than there should be. Maybe y'all should just set up stools from like the outskirts and just have cameramen from each angle on top aiming down. Some shit like that, and just try to get more people out of the ring. It should really only be the ref in the ring, to be honest, but ref and the two fighters.
You know what we do, let's work.
Oh shit. Right off the bat. It's better than watching Steiny box, that's for sure. Oh, he's getting worked. Ooh. Keep going, yeah. Careful though. Careful. I gotta say respect for the Blue Gloves for right here. Let's see it. He threw that shot and went off balance. Respect for Blue Gloves for just waiting for him to collect himself, because most people would have rushed you, probably laid you out because you weren't expecting it. So, you know, you gotta respect the Blue Gloves or the Dog for allowing him to collect himself. That's a big thing. Hands Yeah. What's his name? Keizo. He's definitely tired. Okay. You know, those little check hooks actually could do something if they had a little more power. Okay. Okay, yeah. Retired. That's understandable. Those body shots fucking tire you. Alright, I fucking know they tire you. What is this guy doing? What's the ref doing? Bro. Yo, look. Yo, why is he doing that? Okay. Okay. Oh, he's running away and he got him with that. Come on, don't turn your back. Don't turn your back. That's how Devontae Wilder just got knocked out. He turned his back. Don't do that. Okay. Short but precise. Short but precise. Alright, he's getting a little tired too. Breathing heavily, breathing heavily. You want the best hit to when you're tired. Alright, so put your hands behind your back, behind your head, or put your hands straight up, and it allows your lungs to fully stretch. It's an amazing recovery tip. Did it in wrestling. Do it, bro. Do it. You know, people may think you're being cocky, but it's just like you're breathing. That's it. That's all. Or if you don't want to look cocky, you just do that. I mean, this does make you look tired. This makes you look like you're feeling confident. So do either or though. They work the same.
Good sportsmanship. Round 3. Left. 2 minutes. Everything you got.
2 minutes. That's right. 2 minutes. Just get in there. Just get in there. Don't drop that. Oh! Yo, that was insane. Slip. Bang! Oh, that was beautiful. I gotta look at that. Roll. Bang! Oh shit, that was a slip. Oh shit. Why is my quality so bad? I don't even know if that made a difference. Alright, we're gonna watch it back a little slower. Whoops. Comes in, he rolls underneath that. His feet are planted. His feet are, okay, we're gonna slow it down even slower. His feet are planted. Actually, maybe it was a slip. I don't. Roll. Oh, because I was right to the body. Roll. He didn't roll the right way, too. Yeah, I was right to the body. I was, damn. After getting this, maybe it was a little bit of a slip. But, definitely, still, that body shot definitely have him hurt. I don't even know what stable move is. Body shot had him hurt for sure.
It was
50-50. I agree with that. Little slip, little connection. Ooh. Ah. Keep on him. There you go. Work that body. He's not breathing anyways. Oh, he's done. He is done. It's just 1 minute. I think the dog knows he's done, so he ain't really putting the pressure on him as he was like a minute ago. Okay. Did he just bark at him? Yeah, I think he did. I think he just barked. Or maybe he grunted. Damn.
1, 2, 1, 2, keep it going. Tighten up, Good fight.
They went toe to toe, that's for sure.
Winner. Good fight, guys.
They didn't look.
15 seconds.
Huh?
Like a 15 seconds of fame.
It feels good. I feel great.
Solve it in the yard and we leave it. Agreed?
He didn't got much to say, but it's fine, because he was just there to do his thing. Yeah. I just clicked a button. I'm not fucking shit up. Alright. But yeah, bro. That was great. I do got to say that was great. You know, both of them showed up and showed out. That's for sure. They did their thing. Did what they could. And that speaks a lot, because not many people would do that. Nothing much to really say on that. They did their thing. And respect for them for showing up. Now that's really going to conclude for this video. So, hope you all enjoy and stay on the road for my UFC journey. Peace.